Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Klaviyo unsubscribed link. This is an essential feature for any email campaign as it ensures compliance with email marketing regulations and gives your subscribers control over their preferences. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your dashboard smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on your Klaviyo dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. Now direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll find various menu options. Click on Content to expand this section, and from the options that appear, select Templates. This is where all your email templates are stored and managed. Now you'll see a list of your existing email templates. Browse through them and choose the specific template where you want to add the unsubscribe link. This could be a newsletter template, a promotional email, or any other template you regularly use for your campaigns. Click on the template to select it. Once you've selected your template, look for the Edit Template button and click on it. This will open up the email editor, allowing you to make modifications to your template's design and content. The editor interface will load, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. In the email editor, you'll notice a left side panel containing various content blocks that you can add to your email. Find the text block option. This is a simple yet powerful element that allows you to insert customizable text into your email design. Click and drag this text block to the area in your email where you want the unsubscribe link to appear. This is typically placed at the bottom of the email, in the footer section, where subscribers expect to find it. After dropping the text block into position, click on it to start editing the text. Here's where you'll create the actual unsubscribe link. Type something like "click here to unsubscribe," followed by the Klaviyo unsubscribe tag. The tag you'll need to include is open curly brace, %, unsubscribe, %, close curly brace. This special tag tells Klaviyo to automatically generate the unsubscribe functionality when the email is sent out. You can customize the text before the tag to match your brand's voice, but make sure you keep the tag exactly as it is. And that's it. You've successfully created a Klaviyo unsubscribe link in your email template. This link will now appear in all emails sent using this template, giving your subscribers an easy way to opt out if they choose to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.